In this video, I will be showing you how to download Fortnite on Android device not supported. In the Fortnite universe, mistakes happen all the time, whether it's the easy anti-cheat message, unexpected message. There are times when it can feel as like the game doesn't want you to play. But don't worry, I made this video for you. So the very first thing you should do now is to look for a web browser. You can do this to your Google web browser and you just have to search for GSM Fix Fortnite. So tap the first one here, downloads APK Fix. So as you can see, download Fortnite APK Fix, device not supported, and create Fortnite APK for any device. Tap download, this orange one. So once you tapped download, you have to tap this open with package installer and wait as the Fortnite is downloading. So once done, all you have to do is to click install and then wait as it is installing. So you just have to wait for a few seconds, I guess. So sometimes it depends on how strong your internet connection is. But once done, all you have to do is to click open. So app install, click open. So for those people who are using Samsung and other phone brands or phone devices, after doing this one, guarantee that your problem is fixed. I mean, this what we call Fortnite on Android device not supported. Okay, so I'm gonna show you why. So if you're going to tap this more info, you can see here the phone devices or the phone brands that allow Fortnite to run, or these are the only phone brands and phone devices that can let you play Fortnite. So just click more info and check your phone brand or device. So if you're going to scroll down, the name of the Android devices that can let you play Fortnite. So which Android devices can run 60 FPS? So these are the phone brands or phone devices. Okay. So also with the question, which Android devices can run at 90 FPS? So these are the phone devices or phone brands. Unfortunately, my phone is not one of this. So that's the reason why you can see them. But if your phone is one of these brands or phone devices, guarantee that your problem or that phone device not supported will be fixed. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.